Ah, 4 a.m., here we go again. So as you can see, I get up at 4 a.m. It's because I have a shift before school. And the first thing I'll do is get dressed. Then I'll go to the bathroom. Wait, you can't come in yet! You can come in now while I brush my teeth. Boom! Now I'm all ready, so I go to my room and get my backpack and head downstairs. Now I see it's only 4:10 and my shift is at 4:35. So I have some time to make something for my sisters when they wake up. I decided to make donuts because that way they'll last for some breakfast. Ha! What am I saying? They'll all be gone by the end of the day. Anyways, everybody loves sugar donuts, especially me and my sisters. Perfect, all done. So I can treat myself to the first donut. And yes, I get to have it right out of the oven. Yum! Now I'll make myself some coffee because I have a long day ahead of me. Now I look out the window at darkness, all alone. Anyway, time to go. I can't drive, and even if I could, Audrey wouldn't let me use her Jeep. But it's not like anyone could drive worse or cause more damage than Audrey. But anyway, I bike to work because none of my friends can pick me up at this time. And Audrey needs her beauty sleep. Also, she's not gonna drop me off at work, go back home, drop Sky off at school, and go to work. Anyways, it's 4:30 and I made it to work. No, move the camera a bit. There, yes, I'm a janitor and proud to keep my community clean. Anyway, I walk in. Hey Jerry. And there's a fresh smell of cleaning products, my secret weapons. Now that I put my jumpsuit on over my beautiful clothes, I am ready to get to work. So school starts at like 8:30, so I have a good 4-hour shift before then.
Smells like Maggie made breakfast. In that case, I can fall back asleep. Today, I'm waking up at 7:30 and it's a miracle because I usually end up snoozing the alarm so much that Sky's late to school and I'm late to work. So I guess today, I get to have some time for myself. So the first thing I'll do, especially on these cold days, is take a hot shower. Now, I'll put on a face mask, brush my teeth, oh, I guess I have to make my bed. I can't be a slob. Perfect. Now I get dressed in a fashionably warm outfit. Back to the bathroom. I rinse off my face mask. Do my hair. And now it's time for the finishing touch. My makeup! I do spend some time on my makeup and it's hard work. I can't believe Maggie and Sky think I look the same with and without it. I don't know if that means when I'm not wearing makeup, I look so unbelievably beautiful. It looks like I am wearing makeup. Or maybe it's just that I look average in both cases. Or maybe I'm not putting enough on. That's the emergency alarm in case I didn't wake up Sky earlier. Which I didn't, so I'm glad we have that. So I guess, it's 8:15! Ugh, no time to online shop. So time to start heading downstairs. Ooh, the smell's getting better and better. Donuts! So delicious. Now I make myself a green smoothie. I'd buy myself a pumpkin spice latte on the way, but there's no time for drive-thrus. And Sky's up. Good morning, Sky.
Good morning. OMG, it's snowing.
You better get ready so the road doesn't freeze. I didn't plan for snow. I planned for rain.
Last day of fall and it's already snowing? Anyway, Audrey didn't wake me up today, so I'm glad Maggie helped me with my homework yesterday, because I wouldn't have had time to do it today. She made delicious donuts too. Better go eat them while they're still fresh. Well, kinda. I think they were made hours ago. So today I'm quickly having some milk and a donut. All done. I wash my glass and Audrey's stuff because the dishes are my job.
It's 8:25.
Ah! As you can see, it's one of the latest mornings. So I quickly grab my backpack. Now I make my bed as fast as I can. I quickly brush my teeth in my own bathroom, and I'm ready to go. Like every morning, I run to open the gate while Audrey gets the car out. It's snowing again!
Get in, Luther, we're going shopping. Just kidding. I wish. Back to my voiceover. Now that we're both in the car, it's time to jam to some music and pick up Maggie.
Woohoo!
Okay, I heard the music from miles away and now a crazy person honking in a pink Jeep. That's my sign to get it.
Hey, Maggie, get in. Great, we have everybody. Let's go.
How did they even give you a license?
They didn't.
What?
Just kidding. Oh, Maggie, thanks for the donuts. They were amazing.
Yeah!
It's true, they were so good. You're welcome, guys.
We're here. Get out. Bye. Love you guys. Have a great day at school. Now it's 8:35. Ooh, that's a record. Only 5 minutes late. We'll survive. But will I? I'm late too. My shift starts at 8:30, which is why I should drop them off earlier, then drive to work, but that never works out. Anyway, I made it. I smell the fresh air, acknowledge the nice view, and it's time to work.